Welcome back to my YouTube channel. We're continuing the hypertrophy block. I am in week 3. Today I wanted to do something different, and I wanted to make an instructional video on the GHR, which stands for Glute Ham Raise, right? The GHR is one of the best pieces of equipment you could do to build your hamstrings. So the first thing you want to do when you approach the GHR machine is adjust it for your height. To do that, there's a pin on the other end. You're going to pull that pin and then just gently move it back or forward. Alright, so you're going to climb up. You're going to put your feet in between the pads. Lock your feet in. You want your calves to be parallel with the floor, right? And then you're going to start at a vertical position. You're going to slowly lower your body down, all right? You may have seen me do these quick, and that's because I've been doing this for almost a decade. When you are doing these, you want to do them slow on the eccentric, all right? That's going to protect your tendons. Over time, they will build up and they'll become stronger. But do not fall fast on these because you will hurt yourself. So you're going to start with your feet. You can start with your shins and calves horizontal, and your upper body vertical. You're then going to drop your body down until you're horizontal. You are then going to hinge at the knees and then come back up until you're vertical. That is one. Now, I understand I'm a lot lighter. I understand I'm a lighter person, okay? So, if you are having trouble with these, or you are just starting these and you're finding them challenging or difficult, you could grab a stick and you could use that to assist you until you build enough hamstring muscle to do one of these properly. So I am also going to demonstrate that as well. Get one of these. Same thing. Feet locked in. Horizontal. Body vertical. Place this down. Bring yourself down. Horizontal. And use it to push yourself back up. There's one. Slowly use it as a spotter to build yourself up and build up your hamstrings. That is my instructional video on the GHR. I hope it helps somebody out there. By the way, for the GHR, I like to do 3 to 4 sets, and I like to do anywhere from 6 to 12 repetitions. Sometimes I could do more, and when I can do more than 12 or 15, I start adding either very light dumbbells or kettlebells. That's the next progression. You can also attach bands as well. There are multiple things you could do to keep progressing on the GHR. Like I said, it's the best hamstring piece of equipment that you could find in a gym. That's all I got. Thanks for watching, and have a nice day.